And so our day comes to a close. I'm right at the front of the boat. And up here is one of our friends' houses, Mike Bachelor. And it was actually, this bay was actually his whole dream and vision. And he has a boat up there, a house up there. And as you can see, BPL is over here. Alvaro is here. And my house is there. But you can't see it because it's surrounded by trees. And that tree's come in really handy because during the hurricanes here, the wind actually rides across the top of the trees and goes right over the house. That's brilliant. So I hope you've enjoyed today on our tour of Black Island, and I hope you come and visit us. It's a beautiful place in the world. There are not many places like this left. It's very unique, very untouched, very gorgeous. So it's really worth coming here on holiday. And the sun is just setting over here. Look at that sunset. Beautiful sunset. We get a different sunset every single night. It's always gorgeous. So I hope you've enjoyed this trip. And we'll see you all again very soon in our next story, in our next adventure. Welcome to Busuanga Island.